updates. Firstly, Tigray Defense Forces are claiming that they are in full control of Dessie city. At the same time, Ethiopian government is claiming that Dessie is under the full control of Ethiopian army and its allies, and they have smashed the Tigray Defense Forces who tried to enter Dessie. Viewers, whose claim is correct? Secondly, United States called on Tigrayan fighters to withdraw from the Amhara and Afar regions in northern Ethiopia where fighting has intensified. Yes, now let's move to the first update. Tigray Defense Force says they have captured the strategic city of Dessie located in Amhara region. While Ethiopian government says the Tigray People's Liberation Front forces who attempted to invade the city were smashed by Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara Special Forces and Fano militia members. Whereas both sides are claiming differently. Remember, much of northern Ethiopia is under a communications blackout and access for journalists is restricted, making battlefield claims difficult to verify independently. Whereas residents had earlier reported a heavy military buildup in the area, as civilians fleeing conflict hit towns further northward into Dessie seeking refuge. But some residents of Dessie told that they saw Ethiopian National Defense Force retreating back from Dessie city. When Tigray Defense Force entered the city Dessie, all the Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have fled the city. As per reports, Tigray Defense Force also took control of major buildings and departments located in Dessie city. Whereas because Dessie is not a small town, Tigray Defense Force taking control of hospitals and other major departments. Whereas it shows Tigray Defense Forces entered the city and they are in control of Dessie. Viewers, now let's move to the second update. United States called on Tigrayan fighters to withdraw from the Amhara and Afar regions in northern Ethiopia where fighting has intensified. A statement from the State Department also urged the Tigray People's Liberation Front to halt its advances in and around the city of Dessie and Kombolcha. Where Tigrayan forces said that they have secured full control of the strategic northern Ethiopia city of Dessie. The Tigray Defense Force capture of Dessie marks a new step in their offensive in the nearly year-long war after they retook most of Tigray from federal forces in June and expanded their presence into neighboring regions. Your State Department spokesperson Mr. Ned Price said in the statement, "We urge the Tigray People's Liberation Front not to use artillery against cities and recall our strong objections to the Ethiopian National Defense Force airstrikes in Mekelle and other areas of Tigray. which have cost countless lives. There is no military solution to this conflict, and all parties must begin ceasefire negotiations without preconditions. Yes, these were two updates. For more updates and reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.